I haven't spent money to buy makeup removers for over 10 years. Hi again. I've just been seeing a lot of new products being pushed out when it comes to makeup removers. And if you're a woman and you have been using makeup removers, it's definitely a great expenditure for you. Maybe you have to buy a bottle every few months or even every few weeks if the bottle is not too big. So I haven't spent money to buy makeup removers for over 10 years and it still works for me. So I would actually make my own makeup remover at home and put it in a small bottle. Right here, it might look a little bit gross, but it's actually very natural. Only 3 ingredients are in here. So with a container this big, which you can buy very easily online for a very small amount of money, you just adding 1 tablespoonful of extra virgin olive oil. Very important. Extra virgin olive oil is much less disruptive to your skin barrier, and it also helps to remove the waterproof products on your face while giving your face enough moisture and nourishment. It would not give you any stinging sensations either. So 1 tablespoonful of that in there, that is the makeup removal agent. And you have the second ingredient, which is another tablespoonful of Johnson & Johnson's No Tear formula of baby shampoo. That will be the agent that strips the oil, the makeup, and excess oil on your face away from you. That's the second cleaning agent. And last but not least, fill the rest of your bottle with purified water or drinking water, making sure that it's potable so it will not be disruptive to your skin. There are no other additives. It's natural. There's no perfume. There's no preservatives. And you know exactly what you're putting into your makeup remover. Before you use, you just shake and it will become foamy. And you just put that on your beauty pads or whatever you're using. You put it on your face, leave it for 10 seconds and use small movements. And believe you me, it can take off all the makeup, including my very waterproof mascara. And after that, you just wash it with your cleanser and go straight ahead with your normal skincare routine. I've been using this for over 10 years, no irritation problems, no acne problems, and it cleans my skin very well. And I have recommended this to a lot of my female friends, and they have thanked me for saving them a lot of money spent normally on expensive makeup removers that actually ended up irritating their skin or disrupting their skin barrier. So I hope this helps. Oh, don't forget to join my membership. You can find the link on my page, and over there you will get exclusive English learning and my daily life sharing in English that is not available on any of my platforms. I'll see you guys next time in 闪颖Blinglish 小颖课堂 when I talk about the rest of my trip. Bye.